Hello, my name is James Lopez, and this is the second Python program of set of four to manage your Gmail account. This Python program right here was designed to add and or delete folders in Gmail. I manage my Gmail through my Outlook account and on my desktop, and I added folders there, but not everybody has Outlook where they can do it real easy. Or they can go in there and log in and do it. I do it remotely if I can. And what I did was I wrote this program and I found some information on the internet where I went to the documentation of IMAP and I looked at the syntax, and they do have a create and delete. So the first part that you have is to um, set up to get into your email. This is more like an error. I don't use this format, but I've seen that. So yeah, I can use this. Setting up your email here, going into Gmail, and then it's got some error. Just in case something happens, it gives you an error, which is good. And then it has a print statement, tells you connected and the time taken. Yeah, pretty neat. This is logging in. This is the email and the password. Put your email here and your password. Again, just like the other video I had. If you're having problems connecting, it's because Python needs to be added, and then you have to get it gives you a encrypted password. Once you do that, there's a lot of examples on the web. So you haven't done it and you have problems, to do that. They have a lot of examples on why you can't log in, and it gives you an error. So I had that error like a couple of years ago when I was working with it, and I found a solution. So it's encrypted, so go ahead and get that done. And again, it has some just error capturing, and then it has a print response. So, which is neat. I mean, this is just a more Pythonic way of accessing your Gmail. Now, I don't use this. I just go straight to it, just get the code. I don't do a lot of error stuff. But since it was there, I just said, yeah, I can use that. Okay, so what this does right here is getting the list of the folders. So once you write that, I wrote it to a text file. So I ran the command, and I did a loop. I went in there and just loop till it got. And this is the complete listing. And as you can see, it gives you all the folders and plus child folders if you have any of those. I mean, you can do this, go ahead and add a folder to this, but I don't do that. I just put it right here. So what I did was, here in this code, we're adding. So I just want to point this out. What I did was I actually had 3 in here to see, what it do. And it did it. It's pretty straightforward. So what I have in here is I'm using this text file to see whether or not the folder I'm creating already exists. In other words, I don't want to start putting something I don't want to. Plus, it's a cleaner way of writing the code. So what I'm saying is, if the folder is in the lines, meaning this is the lines, what I do is I read this whole thing, the whole text file, and then I go in there and I say, is the folder in this text file, which is lines. I got here line, read text file. On the open as read text. So read text holders and lines equals read lines right here. See it, read text file, read lines. And then I'm referencing lines, which is here, which is a variable that holds this, which has the open. So open as this, lines this, and then is it in lines? In other words, is my folder, right? Folder in this text file does exist, right? If not, create. It's just loop, 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 loop. And let me show you. So right there is those folders I created. It was right above junk. The junk email, which is right there. Is it this one? No, this one. So we put it right below inbox, but right here. These are the other ones I created. But this is in Gmail. I just want to let you know this is accessing Gmail. So it did it. So it went in there. Yeah, I did this other stuff over there, and then what I did was, I think I had something else in here. Yeah. Okay, so these right here, you can't see that well. It's small. Let me go ahead and pull this one up here. It's kind of blurry now. It's blurring it up. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, so anyway, here goes the email right there. The folder, both as an Excel, as a CVS. And then this is the programs. This is the program right there. YouTube. I put YouTube because I have that one ready for YouTube. Put it out there. So, just like all my other videos, the program is going to be available and ready to run. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know. And I'm doing this because I'm going to be moving. I'm going to create some special folders, and I'm going to be moving data. I might even start moving data from other folders, not just from the inbox. But this is mainly for the inbox. The thinking behind this is, before I delete, let me move, because I haven't done this, but I was thinking about it because I want some, because I move them, right? So anyway, I move them. So I'm thinking, why move them manually if I can set it up and be a part of a package, and I'll run a bat file to where I go in there before I do any deleting, move the emails that I want to move to a certain folder, and then just go into that folder. And so first I move. Well, I got to create the folders, so that's going to help me. But I can do that, through a program. Create the folder. I already know what the move is because I already got it set up. I got it down here. If you can see, I got it right here. Email move. So it's emails, move email to new folder in Gmail. So that program is halfway written. It's not debugged yet, but it's ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that to move my emails. So this one is just there to show you how to create the folders. Again, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a message. Other than that, you have a good day. Bye.